Come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be making a dill pickle pizza homemade. Oh yeah, these are the ingredients. Let's get into this video. Now what we're going to be doing, we have our aluminum foil lined up. We're going to open up these cans. We're going to be utilizing the flour tortilla shells as our crust. And we have our olive oil, extra virgin olive oil already rubbed on the aluminum foil on the dull side, so the shiny side is facing down. We have our oven preheated to 400 degrees. Now we're going to go ahead and scoop out a full tablespoon of that tomato mixture. That tomato mixture also has basil and onion already in it. Next, we're going to go ahead and layer the mozzarella cheese on top of the tomato mixture that we have on our tortilla. And we're going to top that with our Fiesta cheese. We have a quarter stick of cream cheese. A quarter stick of cream cheese. The normal cream cheese is an 8-ounce. This is a quarter of that, so you're looking at about 2 ounces of cream cheese that you're gonna dice up and spread out amongst both those pieces of pizza. So next we're gonna add our mushrooms, and we're gonna use the entire can. We're gonna use half of the can on one pizza and the other half on the other pizza. And if you don't like mushrooms, you can opt to not use it at all and then maybe try something else of your choosing for your topping. With this pizza, you can use whatever topping you want, but the main ingredient is, of course, the dill pickles. So we're going to go ahead and take our pickles out, but I'm going to actually pour all the juice out of it and then use the pickles that I have in the jar and individually lay them out on the pizza until the pizza is completely covered with pickles. And so now we're going to have a block of the mozzarella cheese that we're going to slice up. You can put as much cheese on here as you like. I'm going to slice up enough to cover both of these pizzas. And then on top of that, we're going to spread out some more of the mozzarella shredded cheese and also the Fiesta shredded cheese. And then once we're done with toppings of the cheeses, we're going to, what you don't see pictured here, we have some parsley flakes and we also have some dill weed that we're going to sprinkle on top of this pizza before we put it in the oven to bake. And now we're ready to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And oh my goodness, look at these pizzas. Don't they look delicious? Y'all go and check out the mukbang, because you know we mukbang these, and we mukbang them at PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood. So all my oh yeah babies, y'all go over there and show me some love. And make sure you hit me up in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this dill pickle pizza. Oh yeah.